Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Thank you for watching. Today's title is When People Laughed at My English. In this video, you will follow a story about two people, Erin and David. This is not just a story about English. It is a story about fear, mistakes, and courage. Please don't worry. I will speak slowly and clearly so you can relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully and try to find the answer. Here is the question. Why is Erin very nervous? The answer is mentioned in the story. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can practice your English output and improve your skills more effectively. All right, are you ready? Okay, let's begin the story.
Good morning, David.
Good morning, Erin. How are you today?
I'm okay, but I didn't sleep well last night.
What's wrong? Are you feeling sick?
No, I'm not sick. I have an English meeting this afternoon with clients from America.
I see, and you're nervous about it.
Yes, very nervous. I always make mistakes when I speak English, and sometimes people laugh.
People laugh at you? That must be hard.
It is. Every time it happens, I feel so small, like I'm not good enough.
I understand how you feel, Erin. I really do.
You do?
Yes, actually, I was laughed at too, many times, when I was younger.
Really? But your English is so good now.
Thank you, but it wasn't always like this. Let me tell you a story. When I was 15 years old, I was a student at a public school. English was very difficult for me, especially speaking. One day in English class, the teacher asked me to read aloud. She said, "David, please stand up and read the next sentence." I stood up. My heart was beating very fast. The sentence was simple. I have 3 books on my desk. I took a deep breath and started reading. I have 3 books on my desk. I said tree instead of 3. I couldn't make the th sound correctly. For a moment, the classroom was silent. Then I heard someone laugh. Then another student laughed, and another. I heard one boy whisper, "He can't even say 3. That's so easy." My face turned red. I felt hot. I couldn't breathe. The teacher said, "That's enough. Be quiet, everyone." Then she looked at me and said, "It's okay, David. You can sit down." I sat down, but I didn't feel okay. I felt so small, so ashamed. After that day, I stopped speaking English in class. For 6 months, I never raised my hand. Whenever the teacher asked a question, I looked down at my desk. I was afraid of making another mistake, afraid of being laughed at again. My grades got worse. My confidence disappeared. I started to believe that I was just bad at English. At night, I would think, maybe English is not for me. It was a very dark time for me. Then, one evening, something happened. I was at home, sitting at the kitchen table, staring at my English homework. My older brother, Michael, came into the kitchen. He saw me looking sad.
What's wrong, David? You look really down.
It's just English. I hate it. I'm so bad at it.
Why do you think you're bad at it?
Because people laugh at me. They think I'm stupid.
Listen, David, those kids who laugh, they're not learning. They're just scared.
Scared? Of what?
Scared to try. Scared to make mistakes themselves. Real learning happens when you make mistakes. Even native speakers make mistakes. Don't let them stop you. Keep going. I believe in you.
That night, his words stayed in my heart. I didn't feel completely better, but I felt a little bit of hope. The next day, I went to my room after school. I stood in front of the mirror on my wall. I felt a little silly, but I decided to try something. I took a deep breath and said out loud, "Hello, my name is David." My voice sounded strange, but there was no one there to laugh. Then I tried the sentence that made everyone laugh. I have 3 books. I focused on the word 3. I put my tongue between my teeth. 3, 3, 3. It still wasn't perfect, but it was better. I practiced every day after school. I stood in front of the mirror. Sometimes I recorded my voice and listened to it. I also read English books out loud, simple books, children's books. No one was there to judge me. After a few weeks, I started to feel a little braver. One day in class, the teacher asked a question. I knew the answer. My hand started to move, but then I stopped. I was still too scared. Not yet, I thought, but soon.
David, thank you for sharing that story. I have a story too.
Really? Tell me.
When I was 18, I was in my last year of high school. We had to give a presentation in English class. The topic was my favorite memory. I worked very hard. I wrote everything down. I practiced many times. But when I stood in front of the class, everything changed. My heart started beating fast. My hands started shaking. I started my presentation. Hello, everyone. When I was 10 years old, I go to the beach with my family. As soon as I said, I go, I knew I made a mistake. I should have said, I went, past tense. I heard students whisper. One girl said, "Did she just say, I go?" I felt my face turn red. My mind went blank. I tried to continue, but my voice was shaking. The teacher said, "It's okay, Erin, take your time." But I felt like I was failing. After class, I went to the bathroom and cried.
I'm so sorry that happened to you.
But something good came from it. The next week, my teacher asked to speak with me. She said, "Erin, making mistakes means you're trying. It means you're moving forward. The students who never make mistakes, they're too afraid to try. You are brave, Erin. I started crying, but this time they were tears of relief. Then she invited me to join a small English conversation group. It was just 4 or 5 students. We met once a week. Everyone made mistakes, but no one laughed. We helped each other. We encouraged each other. Slowly, I started to feel more comfortable speaking English. I started to believe in myself again.
That's wonderful, Erin.
So now you understand why your story means so much to me.
Yes, we both felt that pain, that fear.
And we learned that the people who laugh, they're not the ones who matter.
Exactly. They're not learning. They're not growing. They're just afraid to try.
And when you're learning, you have to make mistakes.
That's right. Mistakes are not the enemy. Mistakes are the teacher.
I wish more people understood that.
Me too. But we understand it, and that's what matters. We didn't give up. We kept going.
And now we can speak English. Not perfectly, but well enough.
And it's because we had courage and kindness. Kindness to ourselves.
Yes, when we make mistakes, we should be gentle with ourselves.
We should say, it's okay. I'm learning. I'm doing my best.
That's what I need to remember today.
You're going to do great. I believe in you.
Thank you, David. Really.
You know, Erin, there are many people who feel the way we felt.
Yes, people who were laughed at, people who felt small.
If you're one of those people, I want to tell you something. You're not alone. Many people have felt the same fear, the same shame.
And it's okay to feel that way. It's normal.
It's okay to be scared. It's okay to make mistakes. But please, don't stop trying. Every time you try, you get a little stronger, a little braver.
You don't have to be perfect. You just have to keep going.
Today, try to say one word in English, just one. Tomorrow, maybe 2 words or 1 sentence. What matters is that you take the step.
And if someone laughs, remember, they are not your teachers. They are just people who are too afraid to try.
Your real teachers are the people who encourage you, who believe in you. And even if you don't have someone like that, you have us. We believe in you.
We really do.
So please, keep going. Keep trying. Keep learning. One day, you'll look back and see how far you've come, and you'll be proud.
We're proud of you already.
Okay, it's time for us to start our day.
Yes, let's go.
And you, take your first step today. We're with you.
How was the story? I hope it helped you feel a little more confident about English and about yourself. Now, let me ask the question one more time. Why is Erin very nervous? The answer was mentioned in the story. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. Even a short sentence is okay. What matters is that you try. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English to help you learn step by step. These stories are for people who feel scared, who made mistakes, or who were laughed at in the past. If this video helped you even a little, please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. Your support really encourages me, and it helps this channel grow. Thank you so much for watching until the end. I hope to see you in the next video. Take care and keep going. See you next time. Bye.